Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on Illustrator for the pen tool. Okay, so for those who are beginner for Illustrator and are struggling with the pen tool, so here I'm going to show you a way to do the hair, and very simple. So that just first of all lock this image. To do is just Ctrl+2, and like you see we cannot move the image. Okay, after that you can select, so I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut for this. Okay, so the shortcut is a P for the pen tool, or you can use it from here. Okay, the P. Let's change the fill to none, and the stroke make it black. Okay, or let's change the color here. To red, for example. Okay, so if you are you use the pencil like this, and you can see is hard for beginner. Okay, so you will waste a lot of time. Okay, so I'll just show you. So we will not do that. Okay, I'll show you how to do that, my friend. So make a straight line just like this. Okay, from the point to another point, and don't worry about the lines, just like this. Okay, like this. Sorry. So great. Escape. Using the same tool like a pen tool, and you just click on, or you hold on the Alt in the keyboard, and when you hold Alt you can see the tool it changed. So from this it changed to this, and when you move or you enter here to the line, you see change again. Okay, we need this tool here. Okay, so you still holding in the Alt and moving to the line here in the middle here, and just when you get this black arrow, and if you don't get the black arrow you cannot do anything. Okay, like you see now, you need to see the tool like this. Okay, and you move to all of them. You can change the line or the points after that, but it will do the big work. Okay, like you see now. Is very beautiful tips for the beginner in Illustrator. Like I said, you can after that change the point, the stroke, you can change anything okay you want. So now I am just going to show you the tool here, or the tips. Okay, you see is very beautiful. So after you finish, you want to add some line, add some point, or change anything, you can change it after that. But like you see, I have created the hair in a very simple way. That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment for more videos like this. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.